Hello beautiful people of the world, I'm Caramel and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what I got in the mail? Just guess. I think you already know by the title. I got this bad boy right here. Please ignore my raunchy eyelashes, okay? I'm not used to this. Okay. But anyways, I got the James Charles Artistry palette and I'm so happy. Yo, but that's not even the best part. Actually, yes it is, but look at this. It came with bubble wrap. Satisfying. But yes, today I got the Morphe collaboration palette with James Charles and I did this look with it today. If you wanna see how to get this look, I hope you do because that's what this video is on. Then stay tuned. Let's get started. Meow. Bought this with my own money, but I'm gonna pretend like James sent it to me just so I can feel special, you know? Now James said that you should probably use an actual eyeshadow primer that's made for your eyes for these shadows, but I don't have that, you know? Well, I have one, but it's tripping right now and it's hurting my feelings kind of. I'm gonna see what happens if I use this NYX, it's foundation. I'm gonna see what happens if I use it. Alright, so my eyelids are primed. It's time to get started. First shade I'm gonna use is Pinkity Drinkity. Okay. I'm gonna dip into Love That. I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna go in with Escape. Oh girl, oh my god. Just gonna cut the crease. Now I'm gonna pack Skip onto that. Now I'm gonna go back all over what I just did with Love That to make sure everything is, you know, blended in nicely. I like this eye more than this eye. I'm gonna dip into Artistry. Oh, I forgot to announce it, but I'm doing my favorite part. Eyeliner. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and I hope you enjoyed it, and if you didn't, I'm so sorry. But if you did, be sure to like it, you know, leave a comment and subscribe because it's cool. Also follow me on my Instagram. It'll be linked down below, unless of course I forget, in which case it won't be. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Ciao.